Greetings one more time. Sin, first and foremost, give thanks to the living Father, Haile Selassie, for blessing I and I. Bless the day, give us the sunshine. Sila. Yeah. So much love, man. No, love is the answer, man. Love is the answer. Without the love, man, you can't see this. Sin.
I'm in a military basement of Gap. Boom!
My Lord, this man have been around from the start, running things. You see this thing when you say hands-on. Hands-on, my Lord. We give thanks for this man. Inspiration, you know. To tell you the truth, me, I'm a hip-hop man, you know. So from the first time, me yeken, reggae, big bad music, reggae in the street, like dancehall thing. Through this man, he teach me this reggae music, you see. 20 years ago. So crucial that, but crucial is just one man. Most time he was in Israel, you know. Or you're gonna find him when he has a dance in a lady. But Eeka Mouz, for him to be around in every session where somebody makes a dance, because he's got the sound close by, they used to hire from him, you see.
BBS Sound started with 2 boxes, 2 crib 15-inch boxes that I got from Daddy Lizard. There were no bass pin, it was just speakers.
Mangibona BBS fan ukuthi ngibona mina. Yabona without BBS ukushuta ngesisikhathi mina ukufila ngathi umhlaba uyaphela. Because into engikeepta righteous ebrasteni, into engikeepta busy ebrasteni. Yabona without yona ukushuta ngizokusithola ukuthi ngathi manje ngibalungi yabona impilo yami kushuthi kula ngiinveste khona. Kula impilo yami ikhona. Yabona even career yami ngizosho ukuthi iBBS Sound. Because ngijangile ngikhulisile ngize ngifike la ngikhona iBBS Sound. Uyabona through BBS Sound kunempilo. So izinto chamana akumelanga sibheke imali, kumele sibheke uthando neqiniso uyabona. Because if isobheka imali iyo into bezosixabanisa. Uyabona manje ngowe ukuthi asibhekanga imali kakhulu sibheke ukuthi siye phambili ngempilo speed. That's why uthi namhlanje asabambene sasento eyi1. Uyabona because imali iyohlukanisa ama-Rasta esikhathini esiningi. Uyabona manje thina zazi sibeke phambili sibheke uthando nempumelelo kuphela. Into engakhona yangithola into vele bayithanda isound like bayayithanda abantu. Manje community mayibona into eso ebrasteni nabayazibuza ukuthi ama-Rasta khona kanjani into eso thina singasama-Rasta mara siyahlule ukuthi si-own isound eso. Uyabona manje into eyenza ama-Rasta through BBS Sound bayajabulela i-community. Uyabona and according music okhala ku-BBS Sound mabaselokishini it's a conscious music. Yabona into bayajabulela ngoba abatholi impi abatholi corruption yabona bathola wonke umuntu usesmiling. That's why we community all the time babize hey jamani izanini BBS Sound izanini BBS Sound according babona ukuthi akunalento le 626 anyeke uzwe futheka anyeke uzwe spam anyeke uzwe inhlamba yonke into iphela right.
So sound started from a bicycle. Eeka nazamaka bicycle. Eeka nanga dinepe tsa rona. You know Eeka you owe me. Dinepe tsa ka ke kena ke sna nix no dreads like today no dreads. My BBS Sound started, it was a project from nowhere. And then BBS Sound became what it is today. You get what I'm saying? BBS Sound, the only competition that we have was Jakrusha. And Jakrusha was very strict. Sizzla Capitan were not even allowed. The only person that could play those sounds, Nelly Met Lion, after Fetola and Lepapahad. But BBS, when BBS came through, it broke all the barriers when it comes to sound system, Rastafari, and that thing. And of course, BBS gave us even a platform rule. Not really sure whatever, but no, because of BBS. That's why we're here. Because all the years that BBS changed the industry. It changed the industry.
Easy, sorry, my lads.
White folks can live in Africa, while some black man will kill anything to go at another.
Kicks alongside Texino.
White folks. South Africa. Large up, reggae rock star I represent.
Yes, sir.
People, whether you come from East Rand, whether you come from West Rand, whether you come from North Rand, whether you come from the suburbs, whether any which part you come from, you have to be here. If you are not here, something is missing. Yeah. So